Most people think Zillow is only for retail buyers paying market value for houses. But what if I told you that you can actually find deeply discounted investor deals right on Zillow? Now, I've been buying distressed properties on Zillow for almost 15 years, and on this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it for free and how you can do it even faster using AI. All that and more coming up.
For a limited time, you can get a free copy of Jerry Norton's Data Cruncher software, which finds cheap houses in your area. Get it now at mydatacruncher.com.
Before we jump in, you need to understand how Zillow actually works. Most properties on Zillow come from the MLS, the multiple listing service, which is where agents list homes for sale. Now, years ago, listed properties were only accessible to agents. Then Zillow changed everything. They made that data public. Now anyone can see listings, analyze properties, and even contact agents directly. This completely changed the real estate game because now instead of agents controlling the deal flow, buyers were now in control. But even today, here's where most investors get it wrong. They think if it's on Zillow, it's retail. Or if it's on Zillow, it must not be a deal. Or the seller must not be distressed. But the truth is, motivated sellers list properties on market all the time. Distressed properties, fixer-uppers, people willing to sell at a discount. For example, I bought this complete junker in Galix, Virginia for $3,500, and I turned around and I sold it for $10,000. Guess where my buyer came from? Zillow. Discounted properties like mine are sitting right there on Zillow. The problem is, they're buried in with all the retail properties, making them hard to find. Only about 5 to 10% of listings are actually good investor deals, which means you're scrolling through hundreds of properties trying to find the few that matter. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But Zillow gives us a tool most people completely ignore. Zillow has a hidden feature called keyword search. It lets you filter listings based on words inside the description. So instead of guessing, you can search for signals that tell you the seller is motivated, the property has issues, and the deal might be discounted. For example, keywords like fixer-upper, as is, and must sell. These are clues. They're not random words. They're strategic words and phrases sellers use in the description to attract investors like you and me. And like I said, I've been buying investor properties on Zillow for almost 15 years now, and after analyzing thousands of listings, I found that these keywords fall into 9 different categories or groups. Let's review all 9. The first is language or keywords meant to attract fix and flippers. Keywords like fixer-upper, investor special, or handyman. The second category is what I call liability protection. This is disclosure language that indicates the seller doesn't want responsibility. Keywords like as is, or seller will make no repairs, or buyer to verify all information. These are sellers not trying to hide that there are issues. The third category is the opposite, where the seller is trying to minimize the problems or make the property sound better than it actually is. Keywords like needs TLC, diamond in the rough, or great potential. The fourth category is where the seller discloses serious problems, keywords such as fire damage, mold, foundation issues, or condemned. The fifth category is where the language indicates that the property won't qualify for traditional financing. Keywords such as cash only or no FHA. The sixth category is where the seller indicates there is urgency. Keywords such as must sell, bring all offers, or priced to sell. Now the seventh category is language indicating there is a distressed situation going on, such as foreclosure, estate sale, or bank owned. The eighth category is where the seller indicates they are open to creative financing. Keywords like owner financing, seller will carry, or rent to own. And the ninth category is language indicating that the property is being used as a rental or that it would make a good rental property. Keywords such as tenant occupied, cash flow, or do not disturb tenants. So let me give you an example of a deal I found on Zillow. This property here was listed for sale on market. The seller started out at $235,000, and from the first look, it doesn't appear distressed, but in the description, it mentions a foundation problem, which was scaring away traditional retail buyers. Now, thanks to my Zillow keyword search criteria, I found this deal and contracted the property for $170,000, and I turned around and wholesaled it to a fix and flipper for $180,000 and made a quick $10,000 assignment on a deal I found on Zillow. Now the challenge is there are hundreds of different keywords and combinations of keywords for each of those 9 different categories I mentioned earlier. But here's the real issue. Zillow doesn't let you bulk search these different keyword combinations. You can only search one keyword phrase at a time. If you enter multiple keywords, Zillow treats them as and, not or. So if you type fixer-upper, comma, needs work, it will only show you listings with both phrases, not either or. For the life of me, I don't know why Zillow doesn't filter a comma with or instead of and. What it should do is if I enter fixer-upper, comma, needs work, it would show me all the listings that have the keywords fixer-upper or needs work. If it did, I could paste into the search bar my entire list of different keyword phrases, and it would give me every listing with every and any listing that has any of those keywords in it. The workaround, and what I did for years before AI came on the scene, is I would manually create and save dozens of different keyword-specific phrases. It was tedious and super annoying to set up, but it was the only way. Now, thanks to AI, I was able to build a custom AI tool that fixes this. Instead of searching one keyword at a time, my Zillow AI tool, it can run all the keyword searches, combining the results and filtering the best opportunities. All you do is pick your market, choose your deal category, and let the AI do the work. Now let me do a quick demo so you see what this looks like. So I'm going to put into the chat, show me motivated sellers in Detroit, Michigan with Zillow links. Then let's click on this link and I'll just choose the first property and look right here in the description, it says fixer upper. Pretty easy, pretty fast. Now before I tell you how to get this AI tool for free, let me share 3 quick tips. Tip number 1, when you find a deal, move fast because when new listings come out for sale on Zillow, the longer you wait, the more competition you invite. Tip number 2, agents will do deals with you if they trust you. On my YouTube channel, I have hundreds of live agent calls where I show you how to talk to and negotiate with agents. I also have custom agent scripts that I created that I'll give to you for free. Just go to agentofferscripts.com to get the free download. Tip number 3 is to not use a buyer's agent. Instead, call the listing agent directly on each property and offer to let them represent you as the buyer's agent. That way, they get both sides of the commission. I call this the double dip technique, and it will get agents eager to work with you and you will stand out instantly. Now, I did a detailed video explaining how to effectively do the double dip technique. I'll put the link to that video in the description below for you and you can watch it later. Now, if you want my full Zillow keyword list and my Zillow AI tool for free, drop a comment and say, Jerry, you are a flipping genius. Send me the free goodies and I'll hook you up with those links. And finally, let me take a minute and talk about AI. I'm using AI in my real estate business for one primary objective, to give me more time. More time on my farm in East Tennessee, more time with my wife, kids, and grandkid. But here's the crazy part. Embracing AI doesn't mean you have to master AI. You can get all the benefits of AI without knowing how to create the AI tools. I personally don't know how to set any of the AI agents and the ins and outs of how it all works, and you don't either. Fortunately, I have a highly skilled tech team that does, and we built the ultimate AI system for generating seller leads for 95% less than the cost of traditional cold calling. We call it AI Flipper, and not only is it significantly cheaper, it's faster and more efficient. It even sets appointments for you. And I put together a 45-minute training that explains exactly how it works. On that training, you'll learn how to cut your marketing costs by 90%, reduce time spent working leads and making calls by 20 hours per week, save time and money by focusing on the best leads. You'll learn how to maximize your marketing dollars so that you don't waste money on bad leads, and how to potentially make an extra $20,000 to $50,000 per month. So I want you to watch that training now by clicking right there. And look, I'm convinced if you don't learn how to embrace AI in your business, you'll become obsolete. Don't let that happen to you. Watch the training now, and I'll see you on the next video.